radio off, Dave. Hey everybody. You know, I guess probably every time you see me doing these videos, that's where I'm sitting at right here driving. Going somewhere. Well, that's right. We're going somewhere today. We're going from Dothan, Alabama, all the way to Talladega. That's about a 150-mile drive. Got a set of valve covers in the back here. Been dying to put them on. Haven't been up here in several weeks, so I want to get up here and get the old Chevelle out, crank her up, take her for a drive. You know how it is. So we're going to go on, and I'll let you know when we get there or something good happens. Damn it. Anyway, I just got some
randomly. I had to slice up and hold my.
Now, I just got to laugh at my life. I'm coming through Wetumpka. This redneck in a Ford pickup, so I can see him right now, with his loud damn mufflers, was blasted through traffic here. And I looked in front of him, and there's a sheriff car. He was kind of unmarked. You had to really look to see if he was a sheriff. Sure enough. Old redneck boy takes off from the red light, getting it, you know, probably a 30-mile-per-hour zone. He's running 50, 55 at least. Lights the sheriff, lights him up, man. You can't fix stupid, you know that? Action time. Hey everybody, made it up here. And let's go in here and check out these valve covers. Got Kyle over here with me. Hey Kyle. Hey. Thanks, Kyle said hey. Alright, so we're about ready to get this job going. Let's go see what there's to do. Alright, let's get in here and get these bolts out. And none of them tight. You don't never torque them down tight. Looks like I'm going to take the breather off to get more access to the valve cover. I'd even have to take the wires off to get them up, but I don't think so. Always one, an oddball. I forgot about putting that one in there. All right. That's one. Save the valve covers. Let's have a look while we got it off. Nothing obvious. Roller rockers on each one. I don't see anything that jumps right out at me as being a problem. Do you? I do. I don't like the way these springs sit. Alright. Go get the numbers out of here before we get at it. Maybe we won't. Alright, man. Guess what? Here's my fancy AARP, AAR, both. Like Kyle said, they don't give these things away. Well, guess what? They're too short. So I got to go to the parts store now and buy just a little bit longer bolt. I bet I paid $12 for these, or 16. It's crazy. Anyway, that's where we're at. See the difference in these bolts? We got them. This is a 14-20 3/4. This is a 14-20 half. That 1/4 inch makes all the difference. So let's slap this thing on. Well, we got one of them on. And I think I'll just leave one chrome and one black. How's that? Anyway, let me get back to tightening some more bolts and getting this other side off for you. Alright, re-recording the number here. I want to say that says 6272 292. We'll look that up and see what the specs are on these valves. And get ready to put the other one back on and be capped up and ready to go. Break in action here. Trying to get the valve cover to stick on. I don't have any Permatex glue. I really don't like gluing them. I like to take a little piece of string and tie in each hole, just enough to hold it in line until I get it on the motor and put the bolt through it. String won't make it leak or nothing. So, a little trick in putting you box. Alright, folks. Done job. Ain't nothing to it. Right, Kyle?
I ain't getting into that.
We've been out here, a good 45 minutes. Turn the heater on. Fighting this thing. Let me tell you, those 7 little bolts just don't pop right in, man.
No.
But I do think we got it. Now we fish fire this rag up and see if it leaks oil. All right, work is over. Time to ride. Got it all washed up, and we'll see if we can find out a leak on this valve cover tonight. Stay tuned. Ripping and running, man. Everybody don't pull out in front of me. Hey Jeff, this is my son Jeff. Come up here to see him in Talladega while I'm out playing with the car today, and we just now discovered I got this leak on the. I wonder why it was leaking. Yeah.
I wonder why.
I wonder why. Oh well. That's why I call it mechanicing, man. You just fix it a little bit more. Well, hey folks, that looks like it's going to come to the end of cut. Well, it looks like that's the end of another good adventure on the old Chevelle. I'm glad you came along with me. Yeah, we goobered up the valve cover, but my friend Leslie said he'd take care of it for me, so appreciate that, Leslie. Anyway, we're going to go back to Dothan, and hope you had enjoyed the film. Thanks for watching.